When it comes to quintessential British cuisine, nothing quite compares to the classic dish of fish and chips. In London, this delightful combination is elevated to an art form, with numerous establishments serving up their unique takes on this mouth-watering comfort food. As you embark on a culinary journey through the city, prepare to discover some of the best fish and chip shops that will satisfy your cravings and leave your taste buds tingling. First on our list is a bustling shop renowned for its traditional approach. Picture the golden batter, expertly fried until crisp and airy, enveloping succulent cod or haddock. Each bite reveals tender flakes of fish that melt in your mouth. Served alongside thick-cut, crispy chips, you can almost hear the crunch as you dig in. Accompanied by a splash of tartar sauce and a sprinkle of vinegar, this nostalgic dish transports you to the heart of British culture. Next, venture into the vibrant streets where a modern twist awaits. Here, imaginative variations of fish and chips take center stage, with the menu featuring not just fish, but also delectable seafood options like calamari, or even tempura-battered vegetables. Imagine sitting in a contemporary setting, enjoying a crispy cone filled with perfectly fried fish, complemented by sea salt and innovative dipping sauces. It's a delightful meld of tradition and innovation, creating an experience that goes beyond the plate. For those seeking a vegan or gluten-free option, London does not disappoint. Picture a cozy eatery dedicated to ensuring everyone enjoys the beloved dish. The aroma of crispy sweet potato fries wafts through the air as a plant-based fish alternative. Crafted using seaweed and tofu, takes the spotlight. Served with vegan mushy peas and a zesty lemon wedge, this version offers a creative yet comforting alternative that retains the essence of classic fish and chips. As your fish and chips adventure unfolds, do not overlook the charming seaside-inspired stalls lining the canals. Here, the inviting smell of frying fish fills the air, creating an ambiance reminiscent of traditional British piers. Grab a takeaway wrapped in paper and relish your meal while gazing at the tranquil waters. Each bite becomes a delightful memory, capturing the essence of both food and location. In conclusion, exploring London's best fish and chip shops promises an unparalleled experience. Whether you prefer the time-honored versions or modern interpretations, this city has something to satisfy every palate. Prepare your taste buds for a flavorful journey that defines London's iconic culinary scene, and let the fish and chips draw you back for more.